What's up, guys? Casey here. How many of you out there, when you do a project, wire wheel and repaint all of your hardware? There was a angry duck flying by evidently. That was pretty wild. Anyway, I do. I'm majorly OCD, but I tell you what, you know, taking something apart that's covered in greasy caked bolts is never any fun. Taking something apart that's nice and clean and not rusty, that is fun. So I wire wheel and hit with a little bit of paint every single bolt on every project I take apart, no matter how menial it is. Obviously, if the bolt has, you know, the plating left on it still and is in good enough shape, I don't do this, but this is just for nasty stuff that's caked. I also replace a lot of bolts that I probably shouldn't, but I like having things fresh and clean and easy to work on, and I like being able to touch things and not get your hands dirty. Good old Rust-Oleum high performance enamel, professional series high performance enamel. This is a 15-minute fast dry. It only really works well in the flat colors for the fast dry. The glossy colors stay a little tacky longer. And then, you know, this may seem just totally simple, but get a box, poke some holes in it. You know, if you have a screwdriver, you might need to auger the holes out a little bit, make them big enough for your bolts to sit through. That way you're not painting the threads and making the bolts hard to thread. But you can easily paint the heads, and you can do a bunch at once. Anyway, that's a quick tip for you. Hope you find it useful, informative. Yeah, or maybe you just think I've lost my mind. You know, that's possible too. Thanks for watching this week, and